Hey guys, it's Mark Mains here with the George Mains team. I'm at our newest listing at 104 Westlake Drive in St. Thomas. Let's head inside and take a look. So as you can see, this only 5-year-old home is absolutely beautiful. Lots of upgrades, hardwood floor, stainless steel appliances. I know it might be hard to envision, but let's talk about the summer. We have an in-ground pool, which is going to be perfect for entertaining. Huge concrete patio in the back as well. If you or anyone you know is interested in this home, feel free to reach out to myself or any of the team members. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.